Hi everyone, today we are meeting Brayden the bull and we're going to learn all about the sound for the letter B. Our sound B starts with our lips closed and our sound comes forward. So we're going to say B and we're going to say Brayden the bull. B, B, B. Are you ready? Here we go. Brayden the bull. B, B, B. Brayden the bull. B, B, B. Brayden the bull. B, B, B. And that's the sound that B makes. Can you sing it with me? Are you ready? Here we go. Brayden the bull. B, B, B. Brayden the bull. B, B, B. Brayden the bull. B, B, B. And that's the sound that B makes. Did you get that? Let's sing that. Well, actually, let's ask, do bulls eat bananas? I'm not sure about that. Here's our lowercase b. We've got a stick and a belly. Let's ask, do bulls eat bananas? Here we go. Do bulls eat bananas? B, B, B. Do bulls eat bananas? B, B, B. Do bulls eat bananas? B, B, B. And that's the sound that B makes. I wonder if a bull likes to play basketball. Can you help me sing the song Bulls Play with Basketballs? Here we go. Bulls play with basketballs. B, B, B. Bulls play with basketballs. B, B, B. Bulls play with basketballs. B, B, B. And that's the sound that B makes. How did you go? Did you sing that with me? Well done. Thank you. I'll see you next time for our next sound.